Electric mountain bike, full installation and usage guide. Hey everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to set up and use your electric mountain bike. Don't worry, there's no complicated steps. By the end of this, your bike will be ready to ride. Step 1. Install the front wheel. First, remove the axle rod. Take out the orange brake pad spacer. Slide the front wheel into the axle slot. Insert the axle rod and lock it securely. And that's it, the front wheel is installed. Step 2. Remove or install the battery. Turn the key counterclockwise until you hear a click. That means it's in place. Press the battery release button, and you can easily remove the battery. Step 3. Adjust the suspension. The rear shock switch controls the rear fork. Turn it on for maximum suspension. Turn it off, and the rear fork will be almost rigid. The dropper seat post switch lets you adjust the seat height. Just press lightly to raise or lower it. The front fork suspension works with a simple twist. Turn counterclockwise to enable suspension, clockwise to turn it off. Step 4. Brakes and power. Here are the brakes, use them as usual. This is the power button. Press and hold to turn your e-bike on. And that's all. Your electric mountain bike is now fully set up and ready to ride.